You need to write simpler. Your stories contain complicated vocabulary. Hello, my friend! Which words should we use in our presentations? Which words would you use in your speech, in your lecture, in your presentation? Easy and fast answer. Use the simple words. Use words that your audience understands. Use the tools that your audience has. Use the language that your audience uses. The language can only produce its magic when it's shared between the speaker and the listener. And this is the key to do the miracle of recreating your idea in the minds of your audience. Dale Carnegie explains this way. Good communication starts with knowing your audience. Choose words that your listeners will easily understand. Yes, my friend, words matter. The essence of a good lecture depends on words. Words tell the story. They build an idea. They explain what is complicated. They present logical arguments, or they appeal for action. Our ideas make us who we are, and the ones who discover ways to share their ideas to the mind of other people are capable of create amazing effects. Start where your audience is. The trip can be of exploration, explanation, or persuasion, but the result is leading your audience to a new and beautiful place. Concentrate on what you are going to give your audience. Concentrate in serving your audience. Once, a Brazilian musician, came to this writer and said, "My bro, I love your stories, but there is one thing you must change. You need to write simpler. Your stories contain complicated vocabulary. Please, simplify your stories, your words." And the writer followed that advice. Years later, this writer has millions of copies sold all over the world. The musician was Raul Seixas, Brazilian musician, and the writer was Paulo Coelho. How can you serve your audience? What is the most important thing you can tell them? Comment here. I want to see your answer. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. 3 common mistakes of presentations. In my opinion, these are very bad mistakes.